Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering clean materials, a WAV or FLAC of the song, and a capable editor. Open your DAW or vocal removal app and import the duplicate track immediately so you always have an untouched original. Next, analyze the stereo image. Vocal energy often sits center, instruments spread wide. Once done, enable mid-side or phase tools and solo the mid-channel briefly to confirm center content. This early check saves time because it tells you whether subtraction or AI separation will work best. Now isolate vocals with the method matching your source. Run an AI stem separation for complex mixes or use spectral editing if vocals are overlapping instruments. When using mid-side EQ, reduce only the mid-band where the vocal dominates rather than cutting everything. This preserves body and avoids hollowing. If residual vocal traces remain, apply a gentle spectral repair or transient gate focused on phrases. Make sure to work in small increments, listening between tweaks, because aggressive processing creates robotic or phasing artifacts. Finish by blending. Crossfade the cleaned instrumental with the original to recover natural ambience while minimizing vocal bleed. Apply a de-esser and a touch of room reverb to the instrumental bus so it sits naturally in mixes. Export as WAV at original bit depth. If you hear pumping, phasing, or robotic remnants, undo the last aggressive pass and reprocess in smaller segments or try a different AI model. Sometimes subtitle or a cappella bleed needs manual spectral brushes to fully remove. That troubleshooting tip resolves most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.